ago, Autism Services received a gift. That gift was the J.P.s Foundation. The incredible people who make up this foundation have committed their time to ensure that Autism Services continues its mission to the autism community.
4 years ago, we sat as a board. It was kind of a hope, a dream, that maybe a facility like this could be opened in our community. And today marks that day.
Veronica, and to the autism group here, and the plaque says grand opening, and we want you to please take it as a token of welcome and for good things to come. So here is the plaque.
Where do I begin? What does this mean for my son or my daughter? What's an IEP? What happens after they graduate? Through this resource center, our hope is to make it easier for families in the Southtowns community to explore answers to these questions.
Are you ready, Mike? Okay, let's do it.